Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pink Villa.
Why didn't you propose me till the time I didn't push you? I want to know that.
You never pushed me.
Of course, I told you.
I did it with my free will.
No.
Okay.
See, I told
Nobody
you that
pushed
you
me.
have.
Nobody can push me.
I told you that you have the ring now. Please give it to me. Why did I have to
Absolutely.
beg for the ring?
Because it was supposed to be given to you at the altitude of 3,500 meters.
Yeah.
But you took a U-turn at 5,200 meters.
But since how long were you carrying that ring?
Since Bhutan. That was...
September last year.
Yeah.
Almost a year.
Yeah.
I am wearing my wedding ring. I am wearing my
I've kept
engagement
it
ring.
in
Where is
the-
yours?
It's there, it's there.
Kindly enlighten.
Maybe
I
it's
want to-
there in a
I want to
thread around my
recollect.
neck.
There, sure. How do you feel? I mean, like losing your ring on the second day of the wedding. Like, how do you feel? Running back, taking a U-turn halfway from Ludhiana, going back to Shimla palace and looking for the ring for like good 6 hours and not finding it and not realizing it that you lost it. What is the feeling? I want to really know about that feeling.
Feeling is, wish I was a commissioner of police,
Commissioner,
Shimla.
yeah.
Why did you say yes?
Because I had no reason to say no.
मैंने option भी नहीं दी थी वैसे.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I remember.
Because I hate
my-
that.
I-
don't like that typical Hollywood fashion, go down on the knee and would you marry me? I know it's become the norm, but I don't like it.
But you don't follow the
Can-
norm.
Yeah, I don't.
And that's what I like about you.
Yeah, so
Any change from girlfriend to wife?
no.
No.
People have asked me like, this is 637th question,
36th.
37th question.
That's it.
Ki, how's life now after marriage? And I just tell them, it's like life, yaar.
3 things you love about me.
Kya? Three. There are not three. There are so many. So I
just say
can't
3.
put like so many in 3
Just say 3.
because then rest of the other few things will,
Feel
they'll-
bad about
yeah,
it.
they'll feel bad about it.
Okay, just 3 then. First 3.
Your integrity
Thank you.
as a person. Come what may, you don't waver. You stick to your rules. You don't say, oh, ये काम नहीं किया. Now I'm gonna be like this and do this. You don't have vengeance. You literally follow the practice of Buddhism in real life. So this is one thing. Second thing is I can see the the upbringing, and I've met your family now. Like we've gelled well, so I can see that upbringing in you, and it's beautiful. And third, you run well. When you run, you jog. Your cadence is very good. You're fit. You're healthy.
That's a quality that you
Yeah,
like.
it is.
Okay, I love the person who you are.
We are never asked. Let me say
I
now.
want
What
to
are the
let you
3
know.
things you like about me?
No,
Love
but
about me.
Okay.
Chal, now I'll
Please ask me the question.
So what are the 3 things, Ruby, you like about me?
So the first thing is that I love, respect and like that you for the way you are.
Okay.
So that means I love you, like you and respect you in totality. Second is your very simple approach towards life, and that you always say that Rubina, make things simple, do not complicate them.
Absolutely.
And thirdly, how you enjoy the moment in being in present. I think you don't like about me is getting into the process. Too much of thinking and organizing and planning. Am I right or wrong?
No, after the marriage, my opinion has changed. I
It's
think
just 1 month.
That
How
no,
come?
because you planned the marriage so well. Earlier, I was thinking, यार क्या है यार इतना दिमाग क्यों लगाना है? And then I figured out नहीं यार अच्छा किया लगा लिया. अच्छा किया I left the decision on you and I was just like working force behind. Otherwise, people would have been very bored. So you can't say that.
Okay, second thing is, I think you don't like me constantly having information. What to do next? Where are you going? What is the next agenda we have to do? So asking too many questions.
That's
You can't
okay.
deny
I
this.
mean, everybody asks
You
so
can't
many
deny
questions.
this. You can't deny
And you
this.
can expect, I can't expect you not to ask any question.
But I asked too many
That'll
questions.
be like so unrealistic.
But I asked too many questions.
तो अच्छा है ना यार?
Acha.
Yeah.
Thirdly, you do not like me overindulging into cleaning, cooking, instructing somebody.
No. Incorrect.
Well, I fail.
Incorrect.
Well, I fail. So you let me know now. Okay, so one crazy thing that you've done for me.
I've done a lot of crazy things.
Okay, no, that's a bad question. One crazy thing that I have done for you and you are like crazy about it.
Thing, yeah, that skydive, yeah. You made me jump out of the sky.
Well, it was
As a
you.
surprise.
Well, it was you who has pushed me to push my limits, and henceforth
Yeah,
I
but
push
then
you also.
for me it was a surprise, jumping out of the sky. Wow. If that can be termed as crazy, that must
Yeah,
be
it's
the
crazy.
craziest. But it's not that crazy.
So, what do you think? How do you define crazy?
Probably a wingsuit jump is more crazy.
Wingsuit jump.
सोच अगर हम as a stranger मिले होते,
I would have fallen in love with you. The moment you said hi.
oh, you had me at hello,
Oh, yeah.
Jerry Maguire.
Why did you light up the place?
Because you like lights, and I like lighting them up. So
And I like plants.
you like plants, and I water them when you forget.
Yeah. I think the best part about this corner is the sunset.
या और जब ये कांच टूटा उसके बाद तो और बढ़िया हो गया अगर यहाँ से देखो.
Ha
gotten that pattern to it.
diffracted lights. Beautiful place. Thank you for giving me this space.
No, baby, thank you.
Do you think we should write a book on a love story?
Okay.
Okay. Suggest a title.
I don't know. तू बता.
मैं? Simply complicated.
So filmy, baby. Oh my god. Ah.
Maybe you say make
So
things
filmy.
simple, not complicated. Simply complicated. It's your words, it's your vision, it's your
तो
way of
complicatedly
thinking.
simple होना चाहिए ना.
That's why you have a great potential of being a director.
I am one.
Yeah.
I'm directing this.
Really? So how do you like being introduced to Pahadi culture?
I've always been a fan of, I've traveled so much in Himachal. I've traveled more in Himachal than I have traveled in Punjab. And especially I think, Pahadis, they are lovely people for a lot of reasons.
Just because
एक
I'm
तो they live
sitting-
in a very harsh place where there's a lot of effort to be put for everything. पानी भी लाना है तो चल के ऊपर चढ़ के उठा के लाना है. So I think in their over period of years, they have started respecting nature and people and everything way too much. And so I think I love Pahadi people here. And one of the best food, I'm not a foodie, जहाँ भी खाना जो मैंने सबसे अच्छा खाया was in Pahad, including at your mom's village, at your village, Chopal. So Ruby, ये photo देख. What was going on when we took this picture?
I am married. I am standing next to my incredible man, and I feel a sense of pride. So that's like a princess moment for me.
Wow.
Describe yours.
Wow. I was trying to put the speed light in between your dress ka wo can so that when I could see like the
sheerness of my dress.
the piche the fabric all glowing,
we
but it did not
understood
happen because it was
your creative photographic mind was working then.
Yeah.
Understood. Okay. Next.
so good, baby. I was like very proud holding your hand that.
Okay, you don't have to make it down. Chalo next. I'm married.
Yeah, this was after the Feras, you know?
Yeah. After the parents. How Purohitji explained the importance of Pheras were, they were ringing in my mind, and I was looking
Absolutely.
into your eyes, and I was just wanting to sink in the situation, the moment, and see that wow, it finally happened.
You know, I think we were the only two people who were paying attention. Rest,
Yes.
everybody was preoccupied with, because uncle, auntie had to do a lot of things, you know, and rest of the people were busy taking pictures. So first time I felt bad for, you know, Pandit ji, who's actually going out of the way to explain that what is the importance of marriage, and people are just busy with selfies and Instagram and
But I'm
stories.
glad we both did pay attention.
Yeah. I actually liked him, the way he explained.
That, I mean, of course, the first night of our wedding functions, when I first saw you, and I could not overcome the fact that I still have goosebumps looking at you, because after our work, you went to Ludhiana, I went to Shimla, and I was eagerly waiting to see you, and because it was our big day, our big moment, and at the time of the engagement was the first time when I saw you after such a long time, and for our wedding functions and all, I just couldn't stop blushing. So I've never blushed so much and had natural rouge on my cheeks than I
I
had
had this
on
kurta
this day.
pajama which had no pocket. My phone, my wallet, my everything was with father, and I'm looking. Arey kahan yaar? Wo chahiye?
Yeah.
How about this?
You were standing right in front of me,
Yeah.
maybe like 6 steps away, and everything was like, there was so much of music and there was so much of chatter. All I could see was you.
ये पता नहीं किसने खींची है. है ना?
This is our reception at Shimla, no?
Yeah.
When you said, Babi, I can't take any pictures
Oh.
further, I said, Babi, it's okay, it's our wedding, and that's when it was captured.
Shit. This is my favorite picture.
Mine too. I will be yours always and forever. नहीं बेबी फोन पे इतना बिजी नहीं रहने. Oh, the scuba dive. Okay.
This was the
Okay.
first time we both were equally scared. But you overcame the fear much better than I
water,
did.
yeah, because I have water phobia.
Yeah,
अच्छा
but
ठीक है.
still you did well.
ये can you suggest some film name looking at this picture, like
Deep blue sea.
Deep Blue Sea? Yeah, actually, Deep Blue Scary Sea.
Though it's not that pleasant. This is Bhutan, baby.
Om
This is-
Shanti Om.
Yeah.
Huh?
This is
I feel like Om Shanti.
eat,
Not
pray, love sort of thing.
Eat, pray, love. Yeah. Actually,
I'm more filmy than you are. Huh?
you are.
This is when I was shooting for that show.
I would say Sola Singar.
Iska, I will say.
Jab we met. Because we met on a photo
Yeah, Jab we met. Yeah, perfect.
shoot. है ना?
It's perfect.
Hunter?
This is no shooter.
Shoot out at Lokhandwala. Wadala.
Shooter.
What
The
was
film,
that?
the Hollywood film Shooter.
Sniper.
Sniper भी नहीं, shooter. Mark Wahlberg.
मैं प्रेम की दीवानी. Look at me how I look at you. I have apt वो titles.
So filmy.
Gunde.
This is Goa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you planned any honeymoon?
Yeah, baby.
kind of a thing?
We already did one in Collard. Where we slept in a room. And
There was a gecko lizard.
this was a gecko. What new,
Scary.
baby? What's scary? That's not scary.
You like
and then we did
reptiles, I don't
rafting.
like reptiles.
And then we did rafting, and you
Yeah.
swam in the river where people get scared to put their foot inside it. So what
I
else?
think that's a
That's probably
That's
the first
very
time you ever
defining.
swam in a river, right?
yeah, I was pretty daring. All thanks to you.
चल बेबी, बहुत हो गया. चल जाके कुछ खा ले. चल. चल, let's go. Let's eat यार. भूख लगी है अब.
Look lagi. How about some drinks?
I don't drink. चल.
I love you.
Come baby. मजा आ रहा.